Hello, geometry class. This is Miss Kablali Cardarella. I will be meeting you guys officially in November as I am on maternity leave because I just had a baby. But I will be communicating with you guys through this so that way we can talk. A lot of this will be build your own. We'll be doing Khan Academy. We'll be doing notes just like this. You guys should all have a blue geometry book right now. And if you go to the back of the room by the brewer's stuff, you should see a bunch of baskets. You guys should pick the blue assignment sheet. Mr. Gorman will help you guys out. And there should also be a vocab worksheet there. So that way we can do your first thing that you're going to do today. So in your book, on page 28, starts the building blocks of geometry. Every bold letter you see, bold word, is a vocab word. And you need to write the definition on your vocab sheet. So right away on page 28, I see the word line and I see the word plane. And as you go through, there's words on page 28, on page 29, 30, 31, and 32. So your job is to get all the bold words that you see and write their vocab. There's quite a few of them. Then on your blue assignment sheet, we're going to write assignments on here. Now here's how assignments are going to work. Assignments are evidence. They count as a grade in this class. We do not collect them every day though. So what's going to happen is that they're due on the day of a quiz or a test. Your first quiz is next week, Friday, the 23rd of August. So not this Friday, the next Friday. So all your homework for this week and your assignments for this week and next week are going to go on this blue assignment sheet. You only get one per one. It's going to create a packet. You're going to staple them together, make it a packet, hand it into Mr. Gorman, and then he'll give you guys your quiz and you take your quiz. That's 2 pieces of evidence for next week Friday right there. It's homework and quiz. Got it? So on the blue one, you put your name. Then when it says chapter or section, this is going to be 1.1 to 1.3. Due. Again, homework is due when you take a quiz or test. So in this case, August 23rd, that'll be next week Friday. Your first assignment, assignment number 1, is on page. Oh, first we do the date, sorry. Today's date. It should be the 13th. Page 32, the title is those math models. It's the investigation on page 32. And you're going to do steps 1 through 4. I'm also going to give you tomorrow's homework, where tomorrow you're going to be able to work in class. Make sure you bring your book. There's no video tomorrow on the 14th. So we're going to do this all together. So assignment number 2 for the 14th starts on page 33. It is section 1.1, because now we're going to do the exercises. So it's based off the investigation that you're doing today and doing all that vocab and everything else. Sections 1.1, and you're going to do questions 1 through 31, just the odd ones. You'll have all day tomorrow in class to work on that. So today you've already gotten 2 assignments. Today and tomorrow, these are the things that you should be working on. These should all be done by the end of class tomorrow. We do have a calendar up on the Google Classroom page, so you guys can see what everything is. Next week, we have a somewhat idea. We have to still figure out some details, but all the other assignments should be up there. All right. Look forward to meeting all of you, seeing all your work, grading your stuff. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you have my email on the syllabus, or you guys can contact me through Mr. Gorman. Thanks. Bye.